China EV Post is reporting that BYD is making a major push into smart driving technology, rolling out updated smart driving editions for 21 models. The updates come at no extra cost, with models like the Seagull starting as low as $9,800. BYD is integrating its God's Eye smart driving system across its entire lineup, which includes 3 different levels: the top-tier version with 3 LiDAR sensors for its luxury brand Yangwang, a mid-tier version with 1 LiDAR sensor for its premium Denza models, and a camera-based version for its more affordable vehicles. BYD says smart driving features will become as essential as seat belts and airbags in the next few years, and has committed to making them widely accessible. The company has invested heavily in this technology, with more than 5,000 engineers working for 7 years to develop it. J.P. Morgan predicts BYD's global deliveries could hit 6 million vehicles by 2026, signaling strong growth for the Chinese automaker. You are listening to Yuan News.